Are your TikTok videos drowning in the algorithm? If your video doesn't get likes the second it drops, it's dead on arrival. More likes mean more algorithm push, more organic traffic, and ultimately more conversions. The solution isn't better content, it's JarveePro's like video campaign. Let me show you how to automate your TikTok likes in just a few clicks. First, select the TikTok accounts you want to use for liking. Next, just add the URL of the video you want to boost right here. If you want to gain a massive amount of likes onto one single video, you should make sure the likes allowed per video number matches the account number. That's it, setup is done. Let's start the like video campaign. JarveePro seamlessly handles the heavy lifting. You don't have to manually log in and out of dozens of accounts anymore. It's automatically simulating real human behavior, navigating to your target video, and dropping those high-quality likes in real time. It's completely hands-free, safe, and wildly efficient. You can focus on content creation and strategy rather than tedious manual engagement. Check the link in the description and boost your TikTok today.